Hello grade 5, how are you today? Today we'll take a new unit, which is unit 2, which is talking about sets. We had this title before, sets, in grade 1. We said before that sets means group of common things, common in their colors, common in their size, common in their shapes, okay? Let's see more and more about sets. Sorry. What is set? Set is a collection. Set is a collection of known objects that are clearly defined and they have a certain property in common. Clearly defined. What that means? That means that when I say, for example, white, red, and black. What do you think in this? When you hear these colors, it's Egypt's flag, right? So clearly defined that most of us know this. These colors are the Egypt's flag. Sorry, the Egypt's flag. Okay. When I say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on, you think that these are the days of the week, and that's for also the months of the year, and all of this is called clearly defined. What about if I say a set of wonderful stories? Is it a set? Is this considered a set? No. Why? Because it's depend on my opinion. So my opinion and your opinion is different. Okay? Our opinions are completely different. So when I say set, it should be clearly defined. It doesn't depend on our opinion, okay? Let's see more examples about this. For example, here, here's the expression, and we will see if it is a set or not. The month of the Hijra year. The month of Hijra year, it's a set, of course. Okay, the tall students in your class, it is not a set. Why? Because if I'm a student and my friend is shorter than me, okay, so he is not tall, in my opinion. But if I am short and he is taller than me, so according to my opinion, he is very tall, okay? But this is not considered a set because it depends on my opinion, okay? I'm shorter than him, so he is taller, or he is taller than me, or he is the tallest students in the class, or from the tallest students in my class. But if there is another one taller than him, so according to his opinion, he is shorter, okay? So we can't consider this as a set. The seasons of the year, of course, this is a set. The letters of the word Egypt, set. The beautiful stories, not set. The prime numbers between 5 and 25, of course, this is a set, okay? Okay. What about the elements in the set? What about the elements? Okay. Elements means the, for example here, let's see an example to be more clear. The set of the digits in the number 3072. What are the elements here? The elements are 3, 0, 7, and 2. These are the elements which complete the set. okay? Or which the set consists of them. Here, the set of the colors in Egypt's flag. What are the elements of the colors of Egypt's flag? White, black, and red. The third one here, the set of days in the week. The set of days. Never say 7. No, I'm not asking about the number of the days. I ask about the days themselves. So, it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on, okay? These are the elements. The set of the years months that have less than 30 days. The only month that is less than 30 days is February. So it has only one element in the set. The next, the set of 2-digit numbers and each is like the other. Pay attention, 2-digit numbers and each is like the other. Like 11, 2 digits number, and both of them are similar. So 11, 22, 33, 44, and so on till 99. These are the elements. The set of the months in the Hijra year, okay, Muharram, Safar, and so on. Okay. That was the first lesson, which is about the meaning of the set or the definition of the set. Let's see mathematical expression of a set. We have two methods, the listing method and description method. Let's see each one. For example here, listing method. Like, for example, write down the set X, where X is the set of the letters forming the word Ahmed. Okay, so here, listing means I'll open. These are called, if you see here, these are two prices which are express set, okay? The set, you can't do brackets or you can't do closed bracket, okay? Here, I mean the curved brackets or the line or straight bracket, okay? So here, this sign means braces or called braces, okay? So any set should be inside these two braces. If I see this, I know that this is a set, okay? So here, if I want to make a set, I should open two braces and put the elements of this word Ahmed, A-H-M-E-D, okay, separately, and a comma between each element, okay? It's very, very, very important. Don't put dash, don't put slash, okay? You must put comma between each element and the two braces, don't forget them. Okay? And pay attention for a very important thing. Don't repeat any element. Don't repeat any element. For example, Muhammad. Muhammad has 2 M, right? But in the set, I have to write only 1 M, okay? Again, the two prices, okay? Number 1. Number 2, put commas between each two elements, okay? and don't repeat any element. And the last thing, it is not important to put them in order. You can put them in any order, like here, Ahmed, A-H-M-E-D, in order. Or you can write them H-D-A-E-M. In any order, they are right. Okay. Here, write down the set Y, where Y is the set of the digits in the number 1717. Here, what are the elements, or what is the set? Here the set, okay, inside it 7 and 1 or 1 and 7, okay, but don't repeat here in the number 2 sevens and 2 1s, okay, but don't repeat them, okay. I write only 1 1 and 1 7, okay. Okay, here. Note that it is not important to pay attention to the order of the elements when writing a set, as we said. Okay. Number 2, any set doesn't have a repeated element. Number 3, in the opposite figure, the ordered pair, yes. Here, I want you to know the difference between the set and the ordered pair. For example, here in the ordered pairs, it is very, very important. It is called order pair. Order pairs, okay? That means X and Y, as we said before, X and Y, X and Y. If I say 2 and 5, it means I move 2 and get up 5. In this one, I move 5 and get up 2. So, their places are different. The order pairs are different. If the order pairs are different, so their places will be different. But in the set, it's the same. If my set 2 and 5 or 5 and 2, they are the same. Okay? The second method is the description method. The description method. For example, here I have a set. It's the opposite, okay? If I have a set, C-A-R-N-E, okay? One of you will say it's a word care. The other one will say it's the word acre, okay? So, or there is another word, race. So, each one will express it by his opinion. But it's the same. It's the same elements, but it will give me many different words. This is the description. This is the description. Let's see here, the listing method and description method. Here, C-A-R, it's a set, to describe it, it's a set of letters forming the word car. East, west, north, south, okay? Listing them, each direction separately, okay? So the description is the directions. Here I want the listing. The description here is a set of colors forming Egypt's flag. So I write red, white, and black, okay, and so on. Okay, here representing sets using Venn diagrams. What is the meaning of Venn diagrams? Venn diagrams is a diagram in any shape, okay? Regular shape like square, rectangle, triangle, circle, oval, okay? Or any closed curve, any figure but closed, okay, is called Venn diagram, which we put elements, or which consists of the elements of the set. Like this. This is a set by this way or this way. Here it's the same. The same, you see many different shapes, okay? Here, two different shapes together, okay, consists the elements. Here, the common elements between the two sets. If I have two sets and there is a common elements between them, I put them by this way. Here, let's see an example. Set of x equals 258. So I'll make any figure, any diagram by this way and put it's denoted, every element denoted by a small x or a dot, okay, bold dot, and put the elements inside it. Here another set, the set of the letters forming the word stairs. Okay, stairs is S-T-A-I-R. Okay, don't repeat the another S, and put them by this way. Okay, by the Venn diagram we have finished our lesson. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, and let's meet in another lesson, inshallah.